cannot believe I'm saying this, but I have finally touched down in Baghdad, Iraq. We're now going to go through security and get our luggage and go through getting the visa as well. So I'll show you what that process is like, but I am super excited. I have mixed emotions, so I don't really know what to say, except that I've been waiting for this moment for a long time and finally here. PCR result. PCR result. So here. So we had to go to that visa office over there, and they've given us some papers to fill in here. It's a visa on arrival for people from the UK, so we're going to fill those in now, and yeah, let's see how long it takes. So we're currently waiting at the airport, and as you can see there's a lot of people waiting for their visas, and that entire area there has cleared up because that was the line for Iraqis. So we finally got our visas, and we're out of the security area. We're now going to get some money exchanged. Look at all this on the floor. So I still can't believe that I'm in Baghdad. It's like 3:30 in the morning, took half an hour to get visas, and we're gonna go here and try to get some money. Yeah, you do USD to Iraqi dinar? Yes. Yes. What's the exchange rate?
Yeah.
What's the exchange rate?
It's a problem just.
Oh no, after no recording.
Okay.
Finally made it to the hotel. God, that was a drive, and took ages to get here. So we've made it to this Royal Garden Hotel. Assalamu alaikum. Jubair Ahmed.
Jubair Ahmed.
I spoke to Shima, I think it is.
Okay, hey, Jubair Ahmed.
Jubair Ahmed.
Okay. No speak to him to Luan.
Oh, okay.
حجينا السوكي مو؟
اوكي حبيبي ها
جزاك الله خير. هذول يمك الله يوفقك لان موصينا عليهم.
على راسي.
خوش يحتاجون بعدهم يمك يجون.
يا دولة.
هم جايين من سنيم كمان؟
انجلترا، بريطانيا.
على راسي.
اصل من الهند.
كل الهند. داركم.
الله يوفقك.
شكرا. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Anything you need speak to him.
Thank you very much.
إذا تعرف يقول له يوجد فطار صباحي.
باسبورت.
اي من الساعة بالسبعة يبدي لحد الساعة 10 الصبح.
من
ضمن يعني
you have food.
Breakfast, yes.
No, now. Tomorrow 7 o'clock and 10.
Until 10 o'clock. Okay.
Finish 10 7 and 10 o'clock.
يقول ابو الفندق للاجانب احنا نحب يدعم الاجانب فيسوي لهم تخفيض النفر $21 يعني حتى ارخص من العراقيين.
يعني هسه $21
النفر.
Speak to him boss for hotel. Pay you have 50-50 no same Iraqi only use Zuwar
thank you.
and he give you 50-50 no too much. How much get?
$21.
20
one people 21.
30,000 عراقي.
One people $21 and 30 dinar Iraqi.
Jubair Ahmed.
جبير.
اوكي الباسبورت.
Passport, yeah.
ينطوك فلوس؟
اي عادي ماكو اشكال. اذا ما عندي باكر
I will US dollars.
$3 عنده ماكو اشكال كله.
دولار يعني يعطيك 21 لو
يعني 21 ب 21 $42.
Okay.
$42. You have $42.
Yeah, I have dollars on me, so I'll pay him.
Yeah, pay him $42.
$42 for now. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
Call me and you give me a WhatsApp.
Thank you so much, man.
أنا صدق SIM card.
Oh yeah.
يدون SIM card.
اسيا
بس هو قول له كله على الواتساب انترنت وهذا موجود يعني اذا
واي فاي
موجود قول له من 1 ل 8.
مو هم خافوا يطلعون.
السيم كارت هو يم ابو التليفون ياخذ الجواز ويشتري.
يعني موجوده بالتليفونات باكر هنا؟
مو هسه كلها زياره فما اعتقد مفتحين.
يكمن ناو زيارات.
Okay, okay.
All closed.
Okay.
All
Oh,
closed.
shops are closed
Yeah,
now.
and here you have internet free.
Okay.
Internet free.
But when I'm outside, if I need internet.
Yeah. يعني عادي باكر مثل لا واحد يفتح يدز لك واحد يعطيه فلوس.
So we've just checked into our hotel finally and have a look at this hotel. It's really nice and quaint. Costed us, oh, check that out up there. That's an amazing hotel. So costed us around $42 for the night, and that's with breakfast included. So let's check this room out. They have given us a twin room because the other rooms were not clean, but it's okay, they're going to change this tomorrow. And as you can see, 2 single beds, and not much of a view from there. We've got a fridge here, toilet with slippers. It's a bit Indian style, like with the shower without any curtains or anything. You got your bidet there as well. Kind of old decor. So yeah, let's see if there's anything inside the fridge. Yeah, got plenty of water bottles here to keep us going. And there's a menu here for a few of the restaurants close by. So yeah, it's got AC as well, I think. Yeah, AC is just there. So looks like our room was changed because of the 2 single bed issues. So we've got a much better room now, a bit bigger. This is like a suite. He said it's kind of on the house. It's the same price as the normal room. So this one's looking a lot more promising. I'm really excited to just jump in bed. So tired. It's we already heard the azan for Fajr. And again, the usual stuff, the storage areas, drawers, mirror, seating area, which is super fantastic because we might like eat there sometimes. And there's a massive TV there, which I thought we'll be using. And then, yep, the bathroom here, box standard, very kind of 3-star fied. But I think this room is much better than the other one, so I'm a little bit more happier seeing the state of this room. I didn't want to say anything really bad, but this room is in a much better condition than the other room. And let's just look to see. We've got a semi-decent view, and from here, yeah, we've got a view of that mosque. So happy days. Yeah, so I'm gonna tune out for the night now and catch you guys in another video.